It's going to be hard, and people are going to try to stretch that, and it's going to be a challenge for sure. But we're going to keep on sticking to our guns and doing what we're doing.
Marion County's mask mandate still stands, even though starting tomorrow, the CDC says you don't need a face covering if you are fully vaccinated. Good evening, everyone. I'm Brooke Martin.
And I'm Sierra Hignay. That updated guidance from the Centers of Disease Control and Prevention came earlier today. It says that people vaccinated against COVID-19 can go out without masks, both indoors and outdoors. They also don't have to worry about social distancing. CDC Director Dr. Rochelle Walensky says that that's based on the continuing downward trajectory of cases, the performance of the vaccines, and scientists' understanding of how the virus spreads. But she says that there are exceptions.
Now, if you are immune compromised, you will most definitely want to talk to your doctor before giving up your mask. Also, locations such as healthcare facilities will continue to follow their specific infection control recommendations. And lastly, this past year has shown us that this virus can be unpredictable. So if things get worse, there is always a chance we may need to make change to these recommendations.
If you're someone with a mask, you see them, please treat them with kindness and respect. We've had too much conflict, too much bitterness, too much anger, too much politicization of this issue about wearing masks. Let's put it to rest.
President Biden today also stressed the need to continue vaccination at an aggressive pace in order to drive transmission numbers lower. According to data published Wednesday by the CDC, about 45% of U.S. adults are fully vaccinated against COVID-19.
Meanwhile, businesses in Indianapolis are bracing for confusion among customers.
News 8's Demi Johnson is live downtown. And Demi, this is something that they've already been struggling with.
Yeah, staff from Gallery Pastry Bar tell me they're constantly reminding customers to keep their masks on. Some even telling them we don't have to wear masks here because we don't have to wear them in other counties. Well, now they worry today's announcement is only going to make that problem worse. Spring is blooming at Gallery Pastry Bar downtown, with more cooks in the kitchen and more sweets on the shelves. The boost in business comes from eased restrictions. But as they continue to loosen at the federal level, manager Gina Schneider worries it'll be tough to keep up.
Because we already have such a big problem with it now that I think people are just going to take advantage of it, whether they're vaxxed or not.
The CDC's new recommendations don't apply in Marion County, at least not for now. Health officials say they will review this new CDC guidance along with an assessment of current local COVID-19 data and vaccination rates, and make a recommendation to the City County Council on the continued path toward opening our community safely. Schneider says even when that day comes, she isn't sure how well this plan will work.
Who's going to know, and it's not really our business to be like, show me your card.
Some say businesses don't have that right.
I will leave the business. We're gonna end up drifting towards places that are friendly, towards non-vax. And people with vax will drift towards places that are friendly vaccinated.
Others believe you should keep the mask, even if you're not asked.
People need to protect each other. I lost my father in February and I lost my grandmother in December from COVID.
Gallery Pastry Bar is anticipating at least a few combative customers, but Schneider says she won't let that dictate what they decide to do.
And if they just don't, then we can't let them in, because that's our rule. And we're trying to keep everybody in our business safe and our guests as well.
Any updates or changes to Marion County's current public health order has to be approved by the City County Council. Their next meeting is June 14th. We did reach out to see if they plan to have a meeting anytime sooner and did not hear back. Live downtown, Demi Johnson, Wish TV, wishtv.com, and follow us on Facebook.